Day in the life as a freelancer, VA agency owner, and entrepreneur. Para may overview kayo ng itsura ng setup namin, yes, hindi po perfect ang buhay magulong bahay. We have a meeting. Team meeting to with the mentors. Tapos ako happy sa bitch. 12 hours talaga tulog ko. Happy ako, hindi lang halata.
When was the last time you had a grad?
And that is a success. Next, pipirma naman tayo ng mga kontrata. We're doing it via Unawa. At the same time, our choice of movie or series of the day is Bridgerton. Yes, honey. And that is a success. Next, we're going to track expenses. I just use Google Sheets. And since lagi naman akong naka-Gcash, ini-screenshot ko lang lahat ng expenses namin. Tapos, nakasave lang siya sa phone ko para pagkagawin ko na siya, ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa tracker. And that is a success. Now, our next activity is mag-create ng content. Also, tumatambay ako sa Upwork. Nag-aabang ako ng maganda-gandang listing na gawing example sa mga videos ko. But in the meantime, I just want to show you real quick yung ilaw natin. Oh, ganda. Lalagay ko na lang sa yellow basket mamaya. But, time to create like 9 contents. And that is a success. Now, it's time for breakfast. For breakfast, I made hot dog and egg. Busog na tayo at oily na mukha natin. So, time to take a bath. Sabi ko lang, magte-take a bath ako. Natulog ako pagkatapos, but fresh. We're having our coffee and now we're going to have our training. And that is a success. Next week, need to plan our contents. Meron din akong ginagawang bagong strat ngayon na tinatry ko sa personal account ko. And ipaglalagay na natin siya, ipaplot na natin siya via Canva. And that is a success. Once again, fixing my life or trying to using Google Calendar. And that is a success. And that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!